Hi everyone. So in this video, I will be talking about Capgemini. So today the exam happened, and from many candidates I got the feedback. So today was the exam for the some candidates, and some candidates will be having their exam on 24th. So if you have your exam on 24th, and if you are watching this video, make sure to like this video and see. If you will see on the whole YouTube, I am putting the maximum effort for all of you guys. Okay, so make sure to like this video, and we will be discussing about today's exam, what things happened, what kind of the exam it was. Let's discuss about each and everything. Like this video and let's start. This kind of mail many candidates got. Capgemini final assessment test information at Capgemini. It's a 2026 batch hiring for on campus. Many time I have mentioned it. At Capgemini we work with world leading brands and other things. Your assessment is scheduled on 2026 January 22 1 p.m. Reach out to your college 1 hour before the assessment schedule. So it was the mail. Okay, and today the assessments happened, but there are some things which I want to talk about. Okay, so let's start with the Capgemini basic structure. Through that only we can understand the basic things. Okay, so see, first of all, these were the rounds. So first of all, there is a technical assessment, and after that there is a coding assessment, then there is a cognitive assessment. But there is one interesting thing which I want to convey about. Okay, so the interesting thing is about the coding assessment, the experience with the coding assessment. So today actually many candidates actually able to solve only zero question. Only zero means they did not able to solve any question in coding again, but after that they got the chance to attempt the cognitive assessment. Okay, so maybe for coding assessment, yes, it is mandatory to attempt, but the score will be deciding the factor that which role you will be getting. You will be getting analyst, analyst prime, or senior analyst. Maybe it is impacting there more, or maybe in the final shortlisting you will get rejected because you have not solved anything in a coding assessment. Okay, so it totally depends. See, but the thing is, the instant elimination is not there after coding, but there's a instant elimination after the technical assessment. Okay, technical assessment, because some candidates told me that in their college when they attempted the technical assessment, okay, they did not able to give the coding and cognitive assessment because they got rejected in the technical assessment. Okay, so there is one thing. Okay, I'm not 100% sure because I'm I also got this feedback from the students, but yeah, this is the thing which they reported. Okay, so this was the interesting thing. That means the most focusable area will be the technical assessment. The reason I will be telling you, so cognitive assessment, which is a game based assessment, it was like most students felt that this assessment was not tough. It was like easy to medium assessment. Okay, the game based assessment. Coding assessment, most of the students reported it was like around medium level, and for technical assessment most of the students reported it was medium to hard. Okay, so let's discuss about today's feedback. So starting with the technical assessment, which is the first one. So basically the assessment divided into total two parts. One was the pseudocode and one was the IT fundamentals. Again, I just you guys already know what is the pattern, right? But let's discuss about this. So 25 pseudocodes are there, and 15 IT fundamentals are there. Okay. If you are watching my videos, I am solving the Capgemini questions. I also got this feedback that yesterday I posted the video. Some one to two similar question also got asked like that in the exam itself. But the thing is, the students who already know about the concept, but he was not able to solve the question. The simple reason is, as I already mentioned, that the questions are very big. So the timing is 1 minute. This is the main problem. Okay, in the 1 minute they are asking the question related to the BST, deletion of the nodes. After deletion of the nodes, what will be the position? So this kind of question also they asked about the traversal in graphs. So these kind of questions are very difficult to solve in 1 minute timer. So that's what is a basic problem, that the timing is the issue. Like maybe the question is not much hard, but the timing is making the questions very hard. Okay, but if you will do a lot of practice, maybe you can do good in that. And you can see our Arjun series as well. See, frankly speaking, in 2 days you cannot prepare much, But if you want to get an idea, we have uploaded the Capgemini papers. So company wise material, you will be getting total two papers here, but the recent one is this one. So please check the 45 pages paper. Okay, so this is the recent one paper from Capgemini. So you will get an actual idea what kind of questions they are asking. Also, please watch our free series on YouTube, because the question which we have solved are the exact questions which Capgemini is asking. So I uploaded the video yesterday in which I solved the questions. So that questions like are the exact screenshots of the question which I have solved on the YouTube. Apart from this, you will be getting other sources for preparation. A lot of CS fundamentals, pseudo codes, mock tests are there for your preparation. You can see here around 17 hours of mock test are here. I know you cannot solve all the mock tests. The time is less. The pseudo codes are of around 9 hours. A lot of pseudo codes are available for practice, more than 200. So that you can do for your practice. Okay, but the level of the exam is very good. Arjun series you can use for all companies. It is not like it is only for Capgemini. You can use it for future also. But the thing is, the level of the exam was difficult for the technical. So most of the students which reported me, so for pseudocode, there was 25 question. Out of the 25 question, like 15 questions are hard to solve in 1 minute. This was the main issue. 10 questions which were related to the small pseudocodes, related to the modulus bits operation, and all that kind of sequence loops and all. So those questions were solvable, but the 15 questions which came from the topics like BST, graphs, trees, okay, and algorithms like stacks, postfix, infix, they were a little bit difficult to solve. Okay, so this was the feedback which I got. IT fundamentals, the main problem with IT fundamentals again, that 15 questions they asked in IT fundamentals, all the questions are is situation based. So based on the situation only, you need to give the answers. There is a different. Suppose someone is asking you what is the full form of HTTP. Okay, this is a normal question, but in a situation based question, they will be saying there is a company where the data migration is happening, there is a legacy data, there is a secure data. Now you need to transfer the data to this software. How will you do it? Like they will create a situation, and it will be some like a complex case study type of situation. Based on the situation, you need to answer the question. That kind of questions we call a situation based question. Okay, so that kind of questions they are asking. So these 15 IT fundamentals all are difficult to solve according to the timer. Okay, so overall, if I talk about the technical assessment, the most feedback which I got out of these 40 question, most of the students said that it was medium to hard. The assessment was little bit hard side only. Okay, coding assessment, again the level was medium. Okay, again the level was medium. Okay, but see, the thing is, it is holding the weightage for the position. The basic thing is, if you also not perform good in this, maybe you will be getting the analyst position, but you will be getting at least some position. But if you are going good with this one, you can get analyst prime or maybe senior analyst. Okay, this is the basic difference. Then there is a gamified assessment. Again, the gamified assessment, most of the students said we need to go to the levels, like you need to play the game. The levels matter, the accuracy matters. Okay, mostly you will be getting like four games. Switch challenge you will be getting, in which you need to solve the questions. Motion challenge you will be getting. Okay, Sudoku kind of challenge you will be getting, matching like pattern matching, Sudoku challenge you will be getting. Okay, so these kind of challenges you will be getting. Okay, so this will be your games, but these are not much difficult. Okay, there are ample source available for the practice. I also uploaded so many free videos. Also, if you are purchasing the course, there are a lot of material available for this. So gaming is a ठीक ठाक thing which you can do, okay, with the practice. So this is the overall feedback of today's exam, and the technical assessment question I already talked about. And if you have given today's exam, you can tell me in the comment section what was your expectation. I hope you liked the exam analysis video. Thank you so much for watching.